It's Chris here today from Huckabones Equipment, and today's video you'll see behind me we have the B2301 with the LA435, which has a Swift attached to it. So today's video we're going to be taking the loader right on and off to bring that to you, hopefully bring you a few tips and tricks. So let's skip right to it. So we're going to be taking the loader on and off on this B01 series tractor. So what you want is nice level ground. The more level you can make it, the better. So and it's not so much for taking the loader off, it's whenever you go to put it back on. It's going to make your life so much easier, and you're going to love that part of it. So level is key. So Caleb's going to fire it up now and start taking this loader on and off. So one thing you're going to want to know is that there's not a whole lot of differences over a BX, but maybe you don't own a BX and have a B01. So first one you're going to do is you're going to lift it all the way up, and then curl your bucket down, and you can hear that click. It's going to release this stand down. And he's curling the bucket back up, and then he's going to set the loader back down, and it's going to sit on that stand. So what you're watching for here is kind of be as level as you can. And then take the pressure off the front axle. That's going to take the pressure off these two pins here. So what are you watching for now, Caleb?
Now you're just lowering it down slowly and watch it slowly pop out of the clamps that it's in. And then you back out just a bit, just enough to get out your hydraulics. Shut it off and then relieve your pressure. You turn this little red knob here, lift up, pick up, put up there, and then you back out of it.
That's pretty much it. So one thing you're going to watch for whenever you get to the hydraulics is potentially whenever you go to click it off, it's built up pressure again. Just turn the tractor on and off again, or turn the tractor off again, run through your hydraulics, and then try again. That's usually step number one if you run into any hydraulic issues. So now we're going to attach the loader right back on. Again, virtually the same steps, just in reverse order. So off to you, Caleb. Fire her up.
Whenever you're coming in, you want to make sure you line up your loader frame with the center of the bracket there. Just stay out just a bit so you can hook up your hydraulics, and then you shut it off.
So what are you watching for whenever you're attaching the hydraulics?
You put these two little posts here in those two slots. Then you push the lever down and you'll hear a click, and that's when you know it's locked in. Then you get on and you drive into it.
So what are you watching for there, Caleb?
You pull the loader frames back while you're driving in, so it gives you a bit more. And then you let it drop down in, and then you pull back on your loader, push forward on your loader joystick to lock it in. Take your front end up so it's light, and then these will just lock down onto it. And then lift up on your loader, but go slow just to make sure they're locked in. And you lift it all the way up, curl in, and lock your supports back down. Then you're all good to go.
All right, that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit of how to take your loader on and off on your B01 series tractor. You know, if you run into any issues, make sure you contact your local dealership. I'm sure they'll be glad to help you through. If you did enjoy today's video, please like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, please leave them below. Thank you.